Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. In this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation and future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice. So before starting the reading, Virgo, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID, which is already there in the description. Okay. So Virgo, for the third week of the August, we have in the recent past the Ten of Swords, the High Priestess, the Justice. In the present we have the Five of Cups, there is the Fool, Nine of Swords. In the near future there is Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Sun. The challenge for the week, Virgo, is the Hermit. Here you are. You're taking action on what you want. You're taking finally action towards your happiness. You're finally understanding that I want to take action towards what I want. My wish is my priority, because all these days you were just looking after other person's happiness, other person, just looking after something. You were just diving into the situation without any plan. Now you are like analyzing the situation. That's the challenge. You are analyzing the person or a situation here. I'm going to clarify it in a moment. In the recent past, there's a Ten of Swords, there's a High Priestess, there's a Justice. There was the end of a tough cycle happened. There was a divorce, there was a breakup, or there was a final conclusion which you got in the past, which just ended a painful situation for someone in the past. In the present, there's a Five of Cups, there is a Fool, there is a Nine of Swords. You just I'm getting a message here. You just entered into a relationship without any plan. In the present situation, you are with a person. You don't know what is going to happen. You don't know how this person is going to balance me, how this situation is going to balance me, what is the future of this relationship. You just took a risk of getting to this person, but it's like giving you a lot of pain, anxiety. With the Nine of Swords, you're suffering here. In the near future, there's a Three of Pentacles, there's a Lovers, there's a Sun. Many of you, there is a true love, a potential, a strong connection coming your way, which is able to bring you the real happiness, real warmth you want in this relationship. You guys are enjoying here something coming after a collaboration. So Virgo, I'm going to clarify first the challenge for the week, the Hermit. You guys are overthinking. You have to, in order to come to a conclusion, in order to come to a best decision. So clarify the Virgo, the challenge for the third week of the August. The Virgo is clarified by the Ten of Cups, Four of Pentacles, the Sun. Yes, this is like a cycle for you, Virgo. It's like your life has been like up and down, up and down, up and down. One time it was very happy, one time it's a low, one time with this person is very happy, one time it's a low. It's like a cycle. It's not a cycle, okay? It's like a wavy thing is happening when it comes to your life. You're so confused. Why is this happening? Because you're not taking action so perfectly, Virgo. That's the message I'm getting. You are recklessly dive into a person, dive into a situation. That's what's happening for you here. Many of you, it's asking you to first analyze, think about a particular situation before acting upon it, but not too much analyze it. Just open up what you really feel. Just don't hold your emotion just to bring happiness to other person. That's the challenge. You should give your priority, you as a priority, and open up what you really feel. It is going to bring you the happiness, okay? Don't worry, you are so worried and just holding on your emotions to yourself. Okay, in the recent past, there's a Ten of Swords, there is a Justice. I'm going to clarify the Justice in the recent past. For many of you, there was a marriage, or there was a divorce, I don't know what. Ending of a tough cycle. The Justice is clarified by the Ace of Swords. There is a Five of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. You could be dealing with the Air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. There was an end of a marriage happened, or end of a relationship with a person, because you are suffering. You are emotionally suffering in that connection in the past. You are thinking a lot. You are not sure. You didn't open up your real feelings towards the person. That's what happened. This person was so expressive. This person wanted the truth, but you, in order to bring happiness in your partner's face, you just hid a truth here. You just kept secret from this person in the past. This person came after the truth, and there was an ending happened. I'm going to clarify the High Priestess. I do feel you guys were hiding something in the past. You are over analyzing a situation. You were hiding something. The High Priestess is clarified by the Hangman, the Chariot, the Three of Pentacles. You were hiding something. You were holding about a certain situation, certain topics in your head where you needed to take action. It was very important for you to take action. For you, many of you were afraid. If I really express, if I really share the truth, if they leave me, are they going to break this relationship? You're very afraid to have it. Okay, you are running out of a situation in the past. With the Chariot, you were running out of a situation. You didn't collaborate with this person. You didn't speak about a situation. You didn't get together and have a conversation. You didn't open up to this person in the past regarding the situation, regarding a tough situation. Okay, there was a secret hidden here in the past which was giving you so much of difficulties in the past. In the present, there's a Five of Cups, there is a Fool, there's a Nine of Swords. I'm going to clarify the Five of Cups for you, Virgo. You're holding on something yourself. You're not opening up in the present situation. You're experiencing the pain for yourself in the present situation. The Five of Cups is clarified by the Tower, the Two of Wands, the Hierophant. Many of you, there is a divorce, there is the end of a commitment situation happening here, Virgo, because of you, because you're not letting the other person know how you really feel about them. Maybe your regret, something from the past is affecting you, Virgo. This is not letting you to open up to this person. You are completely holding on something to yourself, which is why this person is deciding to let go, deciding to separate from you, because you're not letting them the truth, letting them to know the truth. There is a breakdown happening for many of you in the present situation. I do feel this is your person taking action here because they want you to open up. They want you to open up your pain. They want you to share your pain with that person. Share about a situation which brought a breakdown in your life. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Fool in the present situation. What is the message here from the Fool? Fool is completely a new person who is coming into your life. So Virgo, something new is happening for you in the present. The Fool is clarified by the High Priestess, the Seven of Swords, the Two of Cups. Though this person is offering you an emotional connection, you don't want to open up. That's what the situation is happening. Though this is a brand new person, brand new connection, brand new relationship, but still you're not opening up, you're not being honest with this person. You are hiding something in the present situation from this person, which is why there is someone going through anxiety, someone is going through stressful situation here. I do feel this is you, Virgo, holding on some feelings to yourself, which is very painful. Of course, you don't want to share this to anyone. Nine of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Wands, the Star, the Nine of Cups. You're just trying to heal from that situation. Okay, you're trying to heal from that past experience. You're trying it. You're wishing to heal from the past. Maybe you're wishing someone else, or you're too afraid. Is this person is going to hurt me if I really express them what I feel? Or you're too afraid of losing this person in the present situation. All your pain is, you're trying to heal from it. Okay, you're trying to heal from the painful situation here, holding on all emotions to yourself. You are experiencing suffering yourself. Okay, everything is going inside you, but still I do feel, though everything is happening here, there's a happiness inside you in the present situation, but still there's a happiness. For many of you, you're getting what you wish for in the present situation, though you're kind of afraid of losing this person, but still you're happy, you're comfort here. You're experiencing the happiness in the painful situation also. That's what I see here, Virgo. There's a difficult cycle here. You're happy being yourself. For some of you, you're happy being yourself, keeping it for yourself. You don't want to express to this person. You're happy, whatever happening, everything is in myself. You're happy that you're still hiding the secrets. In the near future, there's the Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, there's the Sun. The Sun, there's a twice. Definitely a happy situation. I'm going to clarify the Lovers in the near future for you, Virgo. There's a potential partner, strong relationship coming your way in the near future. The Lovers is clarified by the King of Swords. There is the Hermit. There is the Four of Cups. That's the challenge, right? Many of you are coming out of being in a situation holding up your emotions to themselves. Actually, you were there in this position all these days, like rejecting the offer, just overthinking. Could be a Aries and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. All these days you are like holding on your emotions to themselves, acting up, not interested. Finally, you guys are coming out of that phase, coming out of analyzing situations for yourself. There's a person coming out in the near future who is making you to collaborate with them. You're actually very happy to open up in the near future. You're actually expressing in the near future about your emotions. I'm going to clarify the Three of Pentacles in the near future. I do feel like this is your energy who is like finally opening up to a new person here, collaborating with a person coming out of your head. Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Judgment. There is Ace of Cups. There is Eight of Cups. Very nice reading for you, Virgo. Finally, you are ending something big, okay? Letting go a person or situation which was emotionally draining you. Finally, there's a new love offer coming your way in the near future with whom you will be very free to express that everything we are holding on in the present situation. Finally, you are letting it out. Finally, you making this person to realize how you are. Maybe you are the person who is the introvert. Maybe this person is realizing about it in the near future. Maybe this person is the one who is a part of your healing, bringing you a lot of happiness in the near future. Okay, it's a very, 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 very positive reading for you. The happiness you expected, you're coming out of your head and opening it up to the person. The advice here for you, Virgo, is a very happy reading. Nothing is yet set in the stone. You don't know what is going to happen. Life is going to change. Maybe you are completely changing because of this person. Your entire personality is changing. That's what I see here. You're opening up, which you never did in the present, your near future. You're doing it. Finally stepping into something new, Virgo. That's what I see here. Coming out as a challenge, right? Coming out of being you. That is all I have for you people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.